Hi guys, and welcome back to the Lazy Girls Kitchen. If you are new, I'm Maggie and welcome. Today I'm going to show you how to make these jam pastries. They're kind of braided. I don't really know what to call them. I'm sure by the time I post this video, I will find a name for them. But they're really easy. They're delicious. This is like a perfect, obviously a dessert, but we actually eat this a lot with our coffee in the morning, and it's so good. Oh, I absolutely love it. So if you guys love it as much as we do, make sure you give us a big thumbs up. And as always, if you have not yet subscribed, make sure you hit that subscribe button down below. Thanks, guys. We love you. Bye.